Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am here with week 1 urban sketching practice. So let's have a glimpse of everything what I've done in week 1. Here's what I've done for the day 1, and the links and the pictures for this week images are already given in last week's video. Check out my last video for urban sketching from scratch practice. So here I'm doing a jug which is given in day 1 practice, and only pencils I'll be using in this video. So I'm using two kind of pencils, one is a darker shade and one is a lighter shade, and it went pretty well. And for day 2 I've done fruits practice and just still life practice using same darker shade and lighter shade. And I did these sketches really quick. It took me hardly 10 to 15 minutes in a day, and it was pretty simple. If you see my whole week sketches day on day, they're improving. Literally the shades and my hand holding grip of the pencil, everything seems to be improving. And here's how you can also practice urban sketching initially from pictures and then later on live. Day 4 tree came out pretty good actually, so I'm using darker shades, shade of pencil for darker areas. It went really good. And day 5 books, there was like a little bit confusion on the perspective, but then I managed to do it really quick, and it helped me a lot on perspectives. And again, sketching on day 6, all these windows was little monotonous and it was like cumbersome for me, but I managed to do it and it gave me really good practice on windows. For day 7 I've done the house sketch I have given in the images, and that is it. And in the next upcoming weeks we're going to draw from life, which means like anything from life. If you're at home, be it your bed, be it your TV or indoor plant, anything which you see around your eyes. If you're outside, probably you can sketch anything. If you're outside, or a coffee mug, or the food you eat, whatever it might be, the daily life objects and things you're going to sketch in the next 7 to 10 days. And I'm also going to do that and show you guys what I've done in the next 7 to 10 days. Drawing from life can be really challenging at times, so now I'm going to share some tips and techniques for this journey of week 2. You're going to use only ink, be it a ball pen. And tip number 1 is don't worry if you've committed a mistake. And tip number 2, always take your sketchbook with you when you're going outside. And tip number 3 is don't judge how you've sketched, and only number of pages you filled is the important thing. So keep these things in mind for the next 7 to 10 days journey, and I'll see you in the next week. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe to this channel.